Hi, I'm Ms. Restrepo and today I will show you how to make your own checkerboard to do long multiplication. You will need a piece of cardboard, maybe from an old trifold or a box, a ruler, cardstock in green, blue, red, white and gray, markers in green, blue, red and black, scissors, glue or double-sided tape, color pencils, pencil, eraser, and graph paper. Let's start with the bead bars. Color one square in red, that's our 1. Use the green for our 2 bar, pink for our 3 bar, yellow for our 4 bar, light blue for our 5 bar, lilac for our 6 bar, white or cream for our 7 bar, brown for our 8 bar, and dark blue for our 9 bar. Make several of each. I made 12 sets. Now let's cut them very carefully, and remember, you can make as many as you want. Put the pieces in a safe place and make sure that they don't escape. Now let's do the tiles. Use the white and gray cardstock and cut them in 1 inch by 1 inch squares. White is for multiplicand and gray is for the multipliers. Make 40 squares from each color. Use the markers to write the numbers from 0 to 9. Use green for our units and thousands, blue for our tens, and red for our hundreds. Now let's do the board. Use a ruler and a pencil to draw a horizontal line. Leave at least 3 inches at the bottom of the board. On the right corner, draw a vertical line leaving about 3 inches from the right side of the board. This is where we will put the tiles. With the green, blue, and red cardstock, cut squares of 3 by 3 inches and start putting green units on the bottom right corner. Then blue for tens and red for hundreds. Make as many rows as you want. Write the numbers on the bottom of the place value of each square. Do the same on the right side of the board. Now it is ready to use. Have fun! Please send me pictures of your creations. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next video!